How's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Japan. Look, it's big. Yeah, this is cup noodles, or cup noodle big Gyoza. So it's dumpling. Yes. So that's what we're doing today. Boy, howdy. I just enjoyed a Malaysian curry instant noodle. That one did not go down the drain. In fact, I am very protective of those because not often that I get them. But this came from a Zenpop box, and you can go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider and get a discount should you choose to make a purchase over there. But yeah, how you doing? It's got a sachet too. So, boiling water to line. There we are. And I'm going to give it a celebrity push. I don't know, I come up with words or terms sometimes. Now we got the lid, we got the sachet on top, and this will go for 3 minutes. In fact, I think all the ones I'm doing today are 3 minutes of cook time. Oh man, that last one, wow. I am happy. There's nothing that puts a smile on my face than like curry. And that was good curry. 5 stars. Easy. Easy. The cup version of that stuff. Anyways, I'm on a new one. Sorry. But yeah, I guess I could talk about it now because I think it's supposed to happen in February. And you'll be seeing this in June, I'm thinking. But I'm gonna be on some Japanese TV show. I think it's like something like, so you want to go to Japan? Or something like that. It's about like foreigners who are interested in Japanese culture. And that would be me. And it sounds fascinating, and I think it'll be fun. Hopefully it all works out. They keep asking me for like, what do you have of this? What do you have of that? They want basically like eye candy for me to show them while they're here. But they want to do like an 8-hour shoot, and I'm like, okay. Especially if you're coming all the way from Japan. I guess the camera crew would be coming from Japan, and the director will be doing Zoom from Japan and all this stuff, so it should be interesting. I hope it works out. I really do. But an 8-hour shoot, wow. I'll be like, okay, start rolling. I'll tell you everything I know about noodles. But it's for Japanese TV, so anything I say will get translated. And I don't know if the whole episode is about me per se. I don't think it will be. It's probably going to follow like, you know, I'll get a segment, another person will get a segment, that kind of stuff. I don't know. It'll either happen or it won't. That's kind of the way I've come to grips with the whole idea of like, wow, am I going to really be on TV? And then it falls through. I've done enough interviews and prepared for enough interviews. I was supposed to do one for History Channel. They were like, do you have any like old ramen? We got a guy who's going to be doing this show. It's a whole series about eating like old expired food. I'm like, oh yeah, I got a lot. Would I eat it? No. Do you think the guy would get sick? I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I think I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. But I guess this guy's got an iron gut. But it fell through. It's like, oh. But they wanted me to send all these pictures and do all this stuff. And they just never... I don't know if the show even ever came to fruition. So, but needless to say, ding, ding, ding. All right, here is our massive cup noodle gyoza. You need to go over here, don't you? It's all right, Pepper. I'll be out there in a few. You can sit on my lap and hold me down on the couch. It's just fine. Ladies and gentlemen, Pepper the Wonder Dog is sad right now. Ooh, look at all this. Look at that. Ooh. I wasn't really planning on putting much with this, because it certainly looked like there was a lot of stuff that came with. Oh, my favorite term. Just every once in a while it just spouts out of my head. Can I get that without the side thing? No, it comes with. I don't know. Everybody thinks I'm insane at this point, I think. But yeah, I think that's just like an absolutely 100% North American, if not just American term. Oh, no, it comes with. Very wrong terminology, but you get it. It's something that comes with the thing that you're going to enjoy. Anyways, it smells good. Oh, Pepper, you're fine. Oh, Pepper. Let's try this noodle out. Hey, Pepper. How you doing? I know. You go lay down, young lady. Here, you want to go say hi to the nice people? You can say hi to the nice people. There's Pepper. Oh, come here. Come here. Say hi to the nice people. Over here. Come on. Over here. Pepper. No. Stop snarfling on the floor. Here, come over here. Oh, did you find a noodle? Man, you found some coriander. Come over here. Come here. Over here. People want to see what you're doing. There you are. Ladies and gentlemen, my puppy Pepper. Finding things on the floor that she wants to devour. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? No, you don't want that. That's coriander. You don't want that. Yeah, she's a handful. Alright, you all done? Go lay down. No, don't find stuff to chew on. She excels at that, folks. She likes to find stuff and give it a little taste. And more tasting and more tasting. I guess she's the perfect companion to a... Go lay down, you stinky old galoot. To a instant noodle reviewer, food critic guy. Where's that? I want that meaty bit. There's a meaty bit. There's one right there. Perfectly hydrated. Good. Okay. This, generally, I'm the guy who poo-poos a lot of things. And generally, I kind of poo-poo cup noodles. Because they just don't appeal to me like so many people. And especially here in the States, people are like, ooh, cup noodle, it's so Japanese. And it's like, yeah, they make them in Japan, but they make a lot better instant noodles in Japan. Nissin makes some absolutely stellar stuff. Pepper is very unhappy right now, folks. You're doing your junk in the kitchen. Mama left. I should have just stayed at the puppy mill. Too late for that. Too late for that, Pepper. Still gotta get her licensed. I guess we wait for till she's a year. I can't remember. Kit's got it all figured out. I'm gonna throw in some spring onion and maybe some seed of the sesame plant. And that's about it. Oh, how about some shichimi? Oh! You know what's funny today, too? I'm not using any chashu today. Why? Well, I'll tell you. Because there's really no call for it. I'm doing this one. I just did a Malaysian one. Not incredibly pork friendly over there. Depends on what, but you'll see pork in certain things, but not in everything. And yeah, so there you go. But here is this. Yeah, I need to get a new selfie ring light because I can just by looking at it, you can tell that something happened. It's not working right. But anyways, watch. All right, well, thank you for watching. The next one we got is made in Malaysia, designed in South Korea. This is a daibak variety. And daibak is done by, it's designed by Shinsegai, and Mommy Double Decker makes it. So this is a seaweed flavor variety. And wait, hey. Oh, you're being good. Sorry. And then here is Pepper, our little puppy, hanging out, chewing on her stick thing. So anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Boo! Have a good one. Bye.